Let's talk about motion design. What is it? Why does it matter? And how you can start learning it today. All of that and more in 2 minutes. Start the timer. Motion design, sometimes called motion graphics, is the art of bringing static visuals to life with movement. Think animations in apps, smooth transitions on websites, or the way icons, buttons, and layouts flow when you interact with them. Good motion design isn't just eye candy. It guides users, tells a story, and makes digital experiences feel more natural and intuitive. While graphic design focuses on how things look and UX/UI design focuses on how things work, motion design sits right in the middle. It adds meaning through movement. For example, a loading animation that reduces user frustration, or a swipe transition that shows where you are in the app. That is motion design. So why consider motion design as a career? Because it's in demand. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, overall employment of web developers and digital designers, including motion designers, is projected to grow 7% from 2024 to 2034, faster than most careers. That's about 14,500 job openings every year across the industry. And the pay isn't bad either. According to ZipRecruiter, the average motion designer makes around $76,000 a year, with experienced designers earning up to $143,000. The best part? You don't need a design degree to get started. Tools like Figma and After Effects make it easier than ever to create animations, micro-interactions, and prototypes. With practice, a strong portfolio, and knowledge of design principles, you can stand out as a motion designer. If you only remember one thing from this video, make sure it's this. Motion design is more than just flashy visuals. It's what makes apps and websites feel alive, usable, and unforgettable. And if you want to learn by doing real projects, check out Zero to Mastery's Motion Design with Figma course, where you'll go from beginner to building portfolio-ready designs alongside an industry professional.